Hello and welcome to another update video about Cosmos Atom. Yeah, we have come into this wave 2 support area like many other coins. Yeah, we've reached downside targets here, which doesn't mean it needs to turn around immediately. But this is a great example how the Elliott wave channeling technique can give you an idea of where the wave C of this corrective wave pattern should end. Yeah, because we talked about this channel already, I think in the last few videos, and the C wave touched it and we saw a reaction. We've touched it again, we saw another reaction. Let's see if the C wave can really end here. Yeah, the C wave of the the C wave of the B wave. Sorry if that's too confusing, but it is what it is, because I'm counting the entire move as an A, B, C structure to the upside within a third wave. Simply has to do with a situation that I don't trust that this is a 5-wave move, so I'm counting it as an ABC as well in a wave 1. Basically as the first wave of a larger leading diagonal. Completely messy structure, still though tradable. Yeah, ABC to the upside in a wave 1, basically a leading diagonal. Then here A, B, C. Well, no, ABC as wave 1 in a leading diagonal, which means that the entire 5-wave move that you can see here in white would be a larger wave 1 eventually, and all of the subwaves could count as ABC structures. Just has to do with the sloppy price action, but it doesn't matter in the short term at all. Target wise to the upside, yeah, if this works out, this setup, we're certainly talking about $20 plus for the next move up. Just to give you a rough idea where we could be heading, depending on how low we really go here. But yeah, $20 plus, as I said, certainly minimum would be 21.39 in that 1.618 extension. Well, saying that, actually, if it's an ABC, we could look first at the $17 level. Yeah, the 1-to-1 ratio where wave A equals wave C. But if it breaks above that, we're looking at 21.39, okay? And then, yeah, you know, we've come down in this ABC structure a little bit like Mana and what some other coins did as well. Reached here the lower boundary line of the corrective price channel, and we've seen a few reactions. So it's not enough yet to consider the move down definitely complete. But we certainly have enough waves down. I mean, a small 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, and 5 here in the 5th wave. And maybe now we are starting the reversal, but so far only 3 waves to the upside. 1, 2, 3, maybe ABC. So it needs to deliver if it wants to reverse now. But it doesn't need to reverse yet, right? It could still extend out further to the downside a little bit. Next target to the downside, if it breaks out of the channel to the downside, which can certainly happen, next target would be $11.14. And really only if it breaks to 9.96, then we would consider here that if it breaks below that, this setup is not viable anymore, not reliable. But for now, you know, you can look at possible upside from anywhere in this yellow support area, which means it still has downside potential in this area of around 17%. So this is certainly what could happen. Don't necessarily think that we are going to max it out completely. But certainly lower is still a possibility as long as we don't have a proper 5-wave move up and 3-wave move down. But we've reached here perfectly the so-called 1-to-1 ratio, yeah, that orange wave A equals orange wave C. That's also why we're stopping here temporarily, because this is an ideal target for a C wave. So we've got the 50% retracement, the 1-to-1 ratio, and the lower boundary line of that channel. So, you know, we can turn around from here. Absolutely. I mean, next target to the downside, if we fail here to reverse, we talk about 11.14 and below that 10.25. But the point I try to make here is from that moment on now, we need to be ready. I mean, we already needed to be ready yesterday when we broke into that support area for the very first time. Target-wise to the upside, you're aware. Invalidation point, you're aware about. So everything good. Have a good start into the week. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.